So let's review the steps. If a caregiver wants to use borrowed lower anchors for the center seating position, first check the vehicle owner's manual and see if it states that borrowing is allowed. If there's no mention of borrowing lower anchors, or if the owner's manual forbids borrowing, then the seat belt must be used in the center position. If borrowing lower anchors is approved by the vehicle manufacturer, next, check the car seat instruction manual to confirm whether borrowing anchors is allowed. Also, check whether the car seat manufacturer allows using borrowed anchors, but only up to a limited distance apart. Finally, there are other things to consider when using borrowed lower anchors, such as, can the car seat be installed tightly so that it will not slide side to side more than 1 inch? With wider spaced lower anchors, some car seats may slide side to side in the vehicle. Also, will borrowing lower anchors block access to the seatbelt buckles for the outboard seating positions? If other passengers share the back seat, it might be better to use the seatbelt than to use borrowed lower anchors. In summary, it isn't obvious under what conditions it is allowed to borrow lower anchors. Whenever possible, have the caregiver help locate the lower anchors and tether anchors in their vehicle, and have them help determine whether borrowing is allowed. When in doubt, do not use borrowed lower anchors. Instead, use the seatbelt to install the car seat in the center position.